In this video, I'm going to show you how to find and replace in LibreOffice Calc step by step so you can quickly update text, fix values, and make changes across your spreadsheet in just a few clicks. This is one of the fastest tools in Calc when you need to clean up data, rename words, or replace repeated information without manually editing each cell one by one. If this tutorial helps you out, go ahead and hit like and subscribe for more simple software tips just like this. Let's jump right in. First, open LibreOffice on your computer. If you already have it installed, launch the program from your desktop, taskbar, or Start menu. Once LibreOffice opens, you'll see the Start Center. On the left side, under Create, click Calc Spreadsheet. This will open a new spreadsheet file. If you already have a spreadsheet saved, you can also open your existing file instead. That works the same way, and you can use the Find and Replace feature on any spreadsheet you're editing. Now that your spreadsheet is open, the next step is to bring up the Find and Replace window. To do that, simply press Ctrl H on your keyboard. This shortcut is the fastest way to open the tool in LibreOffice Calc, and it saves you time compared to searching through menus. As soon as you press it, the Find and Replace box will appear on your screen. In the Find field, type the text you want to search for. This could be a word, a number, a phrase, or even part of a longer entry, depending on what you need to change. For example, if you want to replace an old name, outdated label, or repeat a term, enter that exact text here. Make sure you type it carefully so Calc can locate the correct results in your spreadsheet. Next, move to the Replace field and type the new text you want to use instead. This is the text that will take the place of the old entry. You can replace words with new words, numbers with updated values, or even leave the replacement different in format if needed. The important thing is that the replacement matches what you want to appear in your spreadsheet after the change is applied. Once both fields are filled in, you have a couple of options. If you want to preview the matches one at a time, click Find Next. This will jump to the next occurrence of the text you searched for, so you can review it before making any changes. This is useful if you want more control and don't want to replace everything at once. On the other hand, if you're already sure the replacement is correct, you can click Replace to change the current match immediately. If there are multiple entries and you want to keep going through them, you can continue clicking Find Next and Replace until all the values you want are updated. This is a great way to make bulk edits while still staying in control of each change. It's especially helpful when working with large spreadsheets that contain repeated text across many rows or columns, and that's really all there is to it. In just a few steps, you can quickly find and replace values inside LibreOffice Calc without manually editing every single cell. This can save a huge amount of time, especially when you're working with long lists, reports, or data sheets that need quick cleanup. If this video helped you, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.